We will remove and replace the video background for this video using CapCut PC. First, let's start from scratch by creating a new CapCut project and import our video. We will select both the video and the background image or video we want to replace it with. Drag the video to the timeline. While the video is selected, select the Cutout tab, then enable Auto Cutout. This will remove the background from the video. Click and drag the video to the upper track, then insert your background media below it. Change their length so they will sync together. Let's check it out. All done. Please subscribe.